Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Alipearl Hair. They did send me this water wave wig and I'll be installing it with y'all. I did go and get it professionally installed, y'all. The wig did come basically ready to wear. And when I say it's a 10 out of 10 in my book, eating the girls up, like y'all, definitely a 10 out of 10. Definitely go and get this wig if you don't go get no other wig. We about to get right into this video. I hope y'all enjoy.
I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. I wasn't going.
So guys, the wig did come in this gold box that says Alipearl across the front. I will be unboxing the wig with y'all and showing y'all the gifts that they did send with the wig. They did send me a HD wig cap, a lace band, and they also sent me a edge brush. I believe this little thing is a pocket mirror, and it also came with another bag to store the wig in. It is 100% unprocessed human hair. And y'all, when I say this wig came pre-bleached, pre-plucked, everything, all I have to do is go and get it installed. When I say definitely a 10 out of 10 in my book, y'all, I definitely love this wig. Like, the install ate down. The lace just melted perfectly fine. Not only that, y'all, this wig is 22 inches. Definitely keep that in mind. It is 22 inches, and it is definitely on the longer side. I will be taking y'all with me to go and get this wig installed. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video. So guys, this is the final look. This is how my hair turned out. When I say 10 out of 10, I love this wig. I love the way it's installed. I love the style of the baby hairs. I love everything about this wig. Not only that, y'all, this wig did come pre-bleached, okay, and pre-plucked. So all I have to do was get it installed. Literally, that's it. That's all. Also, it is 22 inches. Like, y'all, the texture, the gloss, literally everything. Like, it's a 10 out of 10 in my book. You cannot tell me this is not coming from my scalp. Like, what? But y'all, everything for Alipearl hair will be in the description box. Definitely use my discount code if you're interested in shopping with them. Let them know that I did send you. Everything about this wig and Alipearl will be in the description box below. The exact link to this wig, literally all the information, y'all. Also, if you are in the Milwaukee area, you can go and book. She will be below as well. Definitely love her service, y'all. Just a 10 out of 10. Like, this whole look just ate down. Honestly, truthfully. Like, get into it. Get into it. Yeah. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. It will be in the description box below. We are at 54K. We're going to run to 100K. I know the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Definitely go and shop with Alipearl hair.
Baby, you should know this. That I ain't going. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should have known it. I wasn't going.